welcome back to another episode. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make jerk chicken tenders. Now let's get started. Cornstarch, 1 cup of flour. On the spices, we got some Mrs. Dash, black pepper, paprika, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of jerk seasoning, some garlic powder, some cayenne, and definitely some salt. So in the chicken, for the marinade, what I did was a couple cups of milk, some jerk seasoning, and the Chef Jahba seasoning. If you look in the description or on top of this video, somewhere right up here, you'll see it. And then yeah, marinate it for about 3 hours, and now we're ready to get going. So now we're gonna mix in our spices with our cornstarch and flour. Just go ahead and dump everything in and give it a nice blend. And why I'm using cornstarch is just so that our crust can be really crispy. It's gonna be awesome, trust me. So now I separated the liquid from the chicken tenders to make it a little bit easier. So I'm gonna walk you through the breading process. Stick a piece of chicken, put it in our flour and cornstarch mixture. Shake off the excess, and we're gonna drop it right back in that milk and jerk seasoning mixture and right back in the flour. So it's like a double coated crispiness. And then we're just gonna set these down while we continue doing all of them. So now our chicken tenders have been nicely coated. I mean, we got a little bit messy, but who cares? I'm just gonna fry these off now, and we're gonna make some absolute perfect chicken tenders. You're gonna stop going to the store and buying chicken tenders after this recipe. Try it out and let me know. Let's go. You're gonna slowly put them in. And remember, preheat your oil to about 350 degrees before you start. I don't want to crowd up the fryer too much, so I'm just going to put that in and then let it go. First batch is all completed. I'm going to just drain it off right here. So I didn't use a paper towel because I don't want the chicken tenders to be steaming. So I use a rack and just let them drip. Okay. Now for the second batch, just going to put them in. Nice and gentle. Remember, we don't want to crowd the pan either, so if you see that you have a lot of chicken tenders, just portion them out and put them in at different times, just so that everything can cook nice and even. So now our second batch of chicken tenders are all done. Let's pop them out and plate it up. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that. Awesomeness on one plate. So I made sure I served it up with some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce and some ranch, just to cut the spiciness from the chicken tenders. But look at that. Just totally gorgeous.